Hi and welcome to our vlog of our time at Mason Elephant Park in Bali. Before we visited, we were sceptical to see how the elephants were treated and if riding was harmful to them. As soon as we arrived, there were signs everywhere reassuring us that each caretaker has a special relationship and that actually riding and walking is vital to keep the elephant's bone density and muscles strong. The park itself is very large and there is a canopy walk through the centre that lets you explore the enclosures. During the day, the keepers clean the enclosures while the elephants are taken one by one or in twos to be washed, fed and bathed by the visitors.
There was nothing to make believe, and the songs that we sang, they were written for you and me. Melodies on repeat, that's what I hear when you're by my side.
The elephants were very friendly and keen to interact with the visitors. Of course we couldn't visit without washing the elephants. We used a big brush and a hose to scrub their skin and wash them down. I couldn't believe how hairy they were, and you could tell how much they loved it. One of our favourite parts was bathing the elephants. I was worried this wasn't safe, but from seeing their treatment and reading the benefits, we gave it a go. They loved dunking you in the water and would spray you when you didn't feed them quick enough. Our favourite part of the trip was seeing a 3-day-old baby calf. The mum and baby were separated off from the rest of the group with their own keeper to look after them. Visitors were advised to respect their space, but the calf and mum were very, very friendly and actively seeking attention from the few visitors that were there. We even met a couple that was staying in the hotel, who were called in the middle of the night to witness the birth from a safe distance. They said it was absolutely unbelievable. We absolutely loved Mason Elephant Park, and if you're staying in Bali, you have to visit.
Underneath it's alright, it's alright. Don't let this be our final song.